In November 2016, the Uganda People's Defense Forces, under the command of the 2nd Division Commander, General Peter Erweru, launched an attack on the palace of the Obusinga bwa Rwenzururu over what was considered to be a violent rebellion. Scores of people were killed and over 100 people were also arrested. Now, 5 years down the road, at least 78 royal guards are still on remand, while Omusinga wa Rwenzururu Charles Mumbere and 132 other royal guards have since been granted conditional bail. Members of the Kasese NRM Parliamentary Caucus are now demanding for an expeditious hearing of the case to bring the matter to a conclusion.
This matter has dragged for long.
5 years.
Now, 5 years. And that's why we said that justice delayed is justice denied.
We call for a speedy trial and the conclusion of the said case to avoid uncertainty and despair amongst our people.
The legislators say the matter has since been politicized by members of the opposition, a factor that has hindered economic transformation of the area.
It becomes easy for the opposition to cling on the issue and now they politicize it. And this is what we want to see coming to an end.
The relatives, the citizens are concerned and they are diverted into that issue. When you bring issues of socio-economic transformation, they don't pay attention because their minds are like, when is this case being concluded?
In response to the claims, the spokesperson of the judiciary, Jameson Kalimani, revealed the case is still at the initial stage.
The prosecution kept adding and amending the charge sheet. So every time the charge sheet is amended, it means it is like a drawback. You have to begin afresh and take the route from the start. So there has been several amendments to the charge sheet, adding new people, adding new charges. In this, they are trying to interrogate the evidence and see if it can continue to the next level of the real trial.
Kalimani has urged the legislators to seek redress in a matter where they want the harsh bail conditions on the suspects, including the Omusinga, revised.
To relax the stringent bail conditions that have curtailed the king's and his former prime minister's freedom and hindered him from exercising his cultural roles as a cultural leader.
So the terms were set depending on what was put before the judge by the prosecution and the defense in that bail application. Now, if there is to be any adjustment, there has to be an application in court, and then the court will consider its merits, and then it will give a ruling accordingly.
In 2017, Human Rights Watch called for the Ugandan government to ensure independent investigations to establish the number of deaths, but no such investigation has taken place. Ramson Muhire, PM Edition.